Welcome to HubSpot with Paragon. Today we're going to talk about signatures. So a lot of times I get asked by people about the signature and how it's built in there. It's usually one of the first things that we teach people to do in HubSpot, just because there's a lot of email and marketing that occurs with it. So if you come over here to the upper right hand corner, if you click on this drop down, you'll see Profile and Preferences. This is how you get to your individual items. This cannot be changed for teams. It can only be done from the individual user themselves. So if you click on Profiles and Preferences, it'll actually bring you to the Settings page, which is also accessible here. But if you go down under your own account information, you're going to see your name and your picture. This is where you can edit that information. I would suggest putting in your name in capital letters because it is used in different things. You can enter in your phone number, and then if you come down, you'll be able to edit your signature. So if we click this button here, it'll open up a blank box. I'm going to go over to my email, and I'm going to just highlight and copy my signature, and I'm going to insert it here. And so I've inserted my signature, and you'll notice that it's pulling up a lot of cameras and stuff. Mine's got a lot of items in it that it won't pull up. So I've got to put my cursor next to that camera, delete it, and then I need to add in an image. So I can add in an image here, and I can come down and add in my logo. And I don't have to click Add Image here. This is if you want to upload it. Because I've clicked on it, you'll notice that the Paragon logo is shown up in the box. But it's a little too big for me now. So the way that you make it smaller is by clicking on the image. And sometimes images are really big and they go off the screen. You may need to scroll all the way over till you get to this box here. So you may have to scroll all the way down and all the way over, but make sure you click on the image, otherwise it won't give you these options. You can link it, but the more important thing is if you hit 150 pixel, it'll fit a lot better into your signature. So if you want to link it, you can click here and click link, type in the URL, and then save it. And then it will allow this to become a hyperlinked image as well within the signature. And then I can go through and edit this. And then I can save. And now that signature is associated with all of my email templates. So when I actually open up and create an email now in a contact, so here I am in an email or in a contact, I can click email, and now my signature shows up at the bottom. And I can edit it if I want. And that's how to create signatures.